known as the swing, and it's currently in level 5, but it is a series of back, forward, back. Here we see the horse, and this is Lila trot up to a square halt, was excellent. She kept her frame as she backed up. You need diagonal sets of steps, and she's supposed to step 4 back, 4 forward, 6 back, and jog forward correctly. Things that you need to do are be sure that the jog is active forward and that she's still on the bit. When she steps up to this again, you are hoping to be square. You're hoping to have your front feet at A or the letter it's asking for. No widening of the hind legs, no straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So she had one extra and a little unsteady to the bridle as she moved off on that one. This is very difficult to do. You're trying to get a quiet, immobile halt, the legs not dropping. Immobility is good here. She has very diagonal sets of steps, but one extra one there, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and one extra step back. So some counting mistakes, but very smooth in this one, and she stays on the bit and active. So you're looking for them to be straight, quiet, elastic, in the same balance. They must not drop their pole, open their mouths, swish. They must not be crooked, must be immobile in the halt, and move off directly with no halt from the rein back to the jog forward. This swing is amazingly difficult to do and get the count just right. Bye for now.